In this video, you'll learn how to make your store multilingual so you can speak to visitors in their language. With a multilingual store, you can open the door to international sales by creating multiple versions of your store in any language. To display your content in different languages, go to your site's dashboard and click Edit Site. In the top bar, select Settings and choose Multilingual. Then, click Get Started. Select the main language of your site, then select a flag to represent it. When you're done, click Next. Now, select a secondary language and the flag you want to display with it. Click Next. And then click Start Now. Now you're ready to start translating the content of your store. In the top left corner, click the flag and choose Manage Languages. In the multilingual dashboard, you'll see all of your site's languages. If you want to add another language, click Add Language up at the right. Now, let's start translating the products in your store. Click Translate here on the right. In the product list, click Translate next to each item. Then, enter a translation for each piece of text and click the check mark to save your changes. When you're done translating all the product fields, click Next at the bottom of the page. Repeat these steps to translate the rest of the products in your store. When you're done, click Multilingual here at the top. From here, you can translate the rest of your store. Other elements, such as your cart page, thank you page, and buttons, are automatically translated for you. When you're done, activate your secondary site language by clicking the toggle button next to your secondary language flag. And that's it! Now you're ready to make your store multilingual so you can speak to visitors in their language. Thanks for watching.